Hi everybody out there again. Mark Mannering here from Class Training with our new 3-minute Thursdays. Now a lot of you would have been getting our weekly or fortnightly videos recently, but now we're going to call them 3-minute Thursdays. So you'll get them on a Thursday around about, and they'll only go for about 3 minutes, more or less. So some great tips and shortcuts on how to use your apps much more betterer. And we're going to focus on something we cover a lot in our courses, if you've been along, how to add shortcuts and quicker ways to access our features, our functions in Word, Excel, and whatever. And we're talking about what they call the Quick Access Toolbar, which by default is in the top left-hand corner there of the screen above the File and Home tabs. And again, by default, you've got Save, Undo, Redo, and maybe a few other buttons. And as you might know, if you've been along to the courses, you can add your own buttons up there that you might access in your app. Now, the quick way to do that is to go to the particular button. I might just go to the Home tab here, and I'm going to use bold a lot. And all I do is right-click. I hit the right-hand mouse button. Up comes Add to Quick Access Toolbar. I click that with the left mouse. Now, I might want to use spell checking a lot. And you think, well, where's spell checking? Is it under data? Where is it? No, it's under review. And there we go on the far left, spelling. I go right click, add to quick access toolbar, and there it is, top left-hand corner. So obviously you can add your own buttons there. Now, another big thing you can do with the quick access toolbar is to move it down. Now, I just go to any button up on the screen here, up on the ribbon, and I just go right click. And it comes up and there's the third option down. It says show the toolbar below the ribbon. I click that and there it is now, and I've got more room off to the right, and I can add more buttons, more functions, and it's quicker and closer to my work area. And the final thing you can do with the quick access toolbar and all these apps, it's not just Excel, is I can add my shortcuts to save this file, for example, as a PDF. Now we do that now by going to any particular button. Again, we just go right click, and I come to the second one here, Customize Quick Access Toolbar. That brings up this box with the existing buttons down the right there, and down the left is more stuff that I can add. I'm just going to go here to All Commands in Excel, and I'll click in here, and now I can hit the letter P on the keyboard, for example, and that jumps down to the P section, and I'll just find the one I want. In this case, it's Publish as PDF. If we find it, that'll be really good. There it is there. Publish as PDF or XPS, whatever that means. Now that means save as a PDF, not just publish. So I double click, it goes on the right hand side there. You also need email as PDF. So I click there, hit the letter E, jumps to the E section, and there it is, double click, email as a PDF. And I click OK, and those buttons are there automatically on my quick access toolbar. I now just need to click that one button once, this one here, to save as a PDF. I go click, and bang, straight away it comes up, ready to save as a PDF. Hit the escape key to come out. If I need to email this as a PDF, this is an Excel file at the moment, or a Word document, doesn't matter. You click that last button, email as a PDF. And then bang, almost in the blink of an eye, there's a brand new email, even though Outlook might not have been running. There's a brand new email with my PDF attached as a document to the email, and I can send that off and away I go. So there you go, people. 3-minute Thursdays. Was that 3 minutes? Oh, I didn't check the watch anyway. Now, we cover a lot more than this, as you know, with our app courses, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and lots of other things that are really useful for you. So have a look at the website for the dates coming up, and we'll keep in touch for the next 3-minute Thursdays. Mark Mannering signing off. Thanks a lot. Bye.